Yeah, man. Today we talking Supreme box logos. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're gonna talk Supreme box logos. I got some Kith stuff. Y'all know what it is. It's the Flash Notes. Yes, sir. This is where I do a quick video with a whole bunch of stuff that I copped during the week that doesn't need a full video. So y'all saw it first, so let's start with those. It's the season, the Supreme box logo season. Now, what I usually do every time these box logos drop, some actually drop today, some tees. I'll show you that next week in the Flash Notes. I go with the hats first. And if I could get a hoodie, fine. If not, if I really need that color every year, then I'll go on StockX and I'll pay the tax. But I got three of them. I got this new blue one. We haven't seen this blue in the box logo. I really like it. Of course, it says world famous on the back. Fits all heads, one size fits all, so you ain't got to worry your head with that. You get it? Blue. Of course, I went red. You always got to go red. Supreme screams red, guys. And purple, because I'm a Laker fan. So, you know, I got a lot of purple in the arsenal. Had to go with those. $44 a piece, $10. Shipped to me, I think $54 a hat. Right now, StockX and gold about double that, 90, 98, 78, just depending on the sizing. One thing I did, the sizing, depending on the color. One thing I did notice with Supreme, every price tag ends with an 8, but these were 44, so that's something to think about. Next up is Kith for the holidays, or Kith Treats for Hanukkah. This is definitely Hanukkah vibes. I don't know what it's Kith for, but it's Kith for something. And I love the Kith for somethings because you get a nice Kith for something box. So this has like a Hanukkah box. I'm not Jewish. I do have some Jewish friends I got to reach out with. But it say Dreidel or Driddle. It's D-R-E-I-D-E-L. And the back has like a game instruction. So that's definitely a Jewish game that they must play around the holidays. But dope box, man. Kith is known for presentation. I love these, man. So, open the box up. It actually comes open, but if you want to slamp it down and glue it. Here's the shirt, guys. I love this blue here, man. Ever since I brought them born and raised joints, I've been just hunting down this blue. Oh, the material, guys. A1, man. There you go. Nice Kith box logo in the gold holiday theme. Pokes out at you, so it's sticking out. Very, very dope look, Kith, man. Kith Treats tag. You already know, made in Peru. A1 material, man. Ronnie just keeps doing his thing, man. So, yeah, that. And Kithmas, that's what the Christmas one was called, not the Hanukkah one, just the overall Christmas experience was called Kithmas. A lot of dope pieces, man. Monopoly, Jenga, a whole bunch of stuff that I wanted to buy, but I know it would have sat right there next to my Kobe Bryant stuff and all that stuff, so I didn't bother. But this tee I really like, because when you think of Christmas, you think of Snoopy. You think of Charlie Brown, man. So I brought the black joint, the Kith logo on the front, but instead of just a regular eye, it has Snoopy. Very dope, very settled, but I like it, man. I'm kind of mad it ain't the washed denim look, but it is the made in Peru look, man. Got the Kith Peanuts tag on there. Also on the back, it says Peanuts Kith. Still great material, man, but I like the washed denim look more. The vintage look, but great material, man. I paid $75. That was with shipping from Kith. I don't know why I don't go to the store, man. We have two of them in New York, but if I can get it from the couch, I love it. A couple more pieces. Ovio and Bait did a collab. They do one every year. I missed out 3 straight years, so when I got the email, I said, I don't care, I'm going to get something. So they only had this tee, some camo pants, and it's a camo jacket. I really wasn't feeling, but you can't go wrong with a tee. You do get that Bait signature tissue paper that you get whenever Bait collabs, Adidas, they sell, vice versa. Here's the Ovio Bait tee. Now, what I really liked about this tee is not your regular Bait. That Bait looks like Caesar himself, the general. I like it, man. Big Ovio lettering on the front. Got Caesar in the middle. General. Well, I don't know if that's Caesar, but y'all know what I mean. Ape shall never kill Al instead of Ape should never kill Ape. This is dope, man. Nice Heather Gray look, man. I put it together with something. Maybe them gratitude joints. And also, Market had a stupid Black Friday sale. You hear me? For myself, I only copped 2 pieces, but for the family, Christmas gifts, don't tell nobody. I got them a lot of Market stuff, man. But let's start with the laptop sleeve. I always wanted to buy a laptop sleeve, guys, because my laptop just be sitting around some danger. You hear me? Some real danger. So I finally went and got the sleeve, man. Got the classic Market smiley face all over the sleeve. Nice soft material, couch material, foam material, whatever you want to call it. Dope look. And I paid $12, guys. I think that's the reason why I got a sleeve, because I always wanted to get one, but I never brought one. But $12 Black Friday sale. They still got a sale right now. It just ain't as stupid as it was. Have a nice day, smiley joint, man. I really like this. And I also copped this Market crew neck. I brought it to match my Doritos because I saw the green and the orange look. But now I ain't sure if it's even going to do that. But let's check it out. Here we go. Yeah, I like this material, man. Firm, fit to the body material. I like it. So I don't know what the tee is called. It's a Market Belly of the Beast crew neck sweatshirt. I get it. You got the crocodile, the alligator laying on the Market logo. It should match my Doritos. What y'all think in the comments? If not, we'll just do the lobsters with it. Lobster, crocodile, orange. I kind of like that look. But yeah, man, I think I paid like $22 for this. The Market sale was stupid, man. If you want to pause the video, go check them out. I also brought a whole bunch of cowboy gear, but I don't want to jinx some guys, so we ain't going to talk about it. But it's a Dak jersey, a Parsons jersey, and a tee I caught on sale at Forever 21. Forever 21 got an NFL collab right now. Check it out, man. I think they got Oakland Raiders, Cowboys, Chiefs. Check them out, man. But I don't want to jinx my boys, so not too much on it. I really want to learn how to play this game, man. Yes, sir. So, you know how we do, man. That's just a quick flash note. I show y'all a whole bunch of streetwear pieces I picked up for the week. I'm going to buy Powerpuff Girls. It's looking like I lost every raffle, so I'm going to have to go GOAT or StockX. Let me know in the comment section below which review y'all really want to see. I'm edging towards the pink and the green because with the blue and the yellow, I already have something similar, but let me know what y'all want to see, man. Another Flash Notes in the book, episode 2. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.